benefits, and this is just one of them. Log into HER.com, and when you're logged in, you're going to go to your members only portal. Once you're at the members only portal, it's going to default you to the dashboard. From the dashboard, select HER.com icon on the top left. Now, once you do that, you're still logged in at HER.com. You're just logged in as a realtor looking at the HER.com site from the realtor perspective. From here, you can search for properties, and it will show you as a presenter of those properties. Very quickly, I'm just going to go in here and add in a search criteria. So very quickly, I'll just go ahead and put in a zip code, and I'm going to select more filters right here. And let's see, I'm going to select single family, and I'll just go ahead and look for properties that have been listed within the last week. Then I'll just hit the search button. And from here, you'll see it'll give me a filter of properties. I'll just very quickly select a property and give you an example of how this works. So what you'll do is you select a property, left click on that listing, and it will open up the details of that property. Now from here, all you have to do is go down to the share button. For example, Facebook. I'm going to click on Facebook from here. And when you select that, it will open up a window so that you can now share this property on your Facebook business page. So you'll need to, once the window opens up, go ahead and select the Facebook business page that you'd like to share this listing in. It's going to integrate into Facebook, and then you're going to, from here, hit the drop-down menu to choose which page you would like this to be connected to. So you're going to share on a page you manage. You're going to select the drop-down menu from here and choose the page you would like to share this listing on. You can then add information in here on this listing. So you can add information here about the property. And then over here to the right hand side, at the bottom right, you can select Post on Facebook. Select Post on Facebook, and now the property will be listed on your Facebook page. When you go back into your Facebook page,
all of these people are necessary. Some of them obviously are necessary. But I think they're trying to mitigate some of the effects of the shutdown. Now, whether
as you scroll down, you will see that property will be posted. It will be in compliance with the rules that are presented by the Texas Real Estate Commission. It's very important that you speak with your broker to make sure that you are within the rules and expectations for posting properties on your page. I, Desiree Savory, I'm not a realtor. I'm just a technology and accountability coach showing you how to use these features. But for more clarity in regard to how you can use these features, please speak with your broker. If you're looking for additional training, please feel free to call me. My name is Desiree Savory, and you can get to my website by going to DesireeSavory.com or HoustonTrainer.com. Thank you.